Hello guys, niko fiti. So today I'm doing, oops, the lighting is quite bad. Where's the lighting? Okay, chato nirudi hapa. I don't know if you can see me. Yeah, so today I decided to bring you something. Yeah, you can see it. Let me flip the back camera. You see what car I have here. But generally, basically, I want to show you it's not that super vehicles car can do the inaitwaje, like can, sorry about that, there was an incoming call. Rev ya gari si kumaanisha gari lazima ikuwe na power ya engine sana. So guess what, today I'm bringing you a fielder. I don't know, let me hide the number plates. I'm bringing you a fielder. This is a 1.5 liter engine, and it's a cool car, very economical to saving fuel. Of course, it's a petrol. I'm gonna show you the engine just now, and nataka usikie hiyo gari kiguruma. Wanasemanga supercharged vehicles ndio ukuwa tu na rev fiti. Just listen to it. It's not clean, it's not washed, but the car is very well maintained. I don't know, this is the 2016 model. Okay, siko sure. Let's check the engine. Engine check. It's a VVTi engine. Yup. And it's a very cool car. Trust me, nimeenda nayo for some time and I know how it tests. Yeah, so I want you to hear the car ikiguruma. I'll show you the inside first. Of course, you don't get massaged seats or hot and cool seats. Hii ni fielder bana. Hii ni ya kazi. Hii si ya starehe. Yeah, but the car is pretty cool. It's an automatic car. Yeah, so here is it. Iko na mpaka RPM yake ni 8. It's a 180 speed. In fuel tank na a temperature of the engine. Iko na clock. This is the hazard, and then this is the AC controls. You get a compartment here, you get a money compartment here, but naona huku imewekwa lipstick na remote. Then this one is for the just cigarette lighter, nitango nini whatever, but now imetolewa because I used to put this Bluetooth device. You get another compartment here, you get speakers, very cool speakers. What else? You got a mirror here and a mirror this side, other side. Yeah. So every time uko na mtu unataka aenda kijipaka makeup anaketi tu hapa. And then there's enough leg room at the back. Yeah, this one is a bit pushed behind. Kuna leg room. The boot is massive. And the seats are very comfortable. And then yeah. So let me start the car. Usikie how this car inaguruma. Listen to it. Ooh, god damn it. Inaguruma fiti. Nice. Of course, it's a one exhaust pipe. I don't know how you will listen to it. Let me try. Yup, that's the vehicle. It's a fielder. So if you want a car, Get this, economical. Hii ni fiti sana ya kwanza. Life, it's 1.5 liter petrol. It's a very good car. Yep. Yeah, so from today, I'm gonna bring you cars zenye nitaweza mara moja moja. Yeah, so see you in the next video. Peace.